Peel region is, just down the road from Perth. I spent a lot of time as a young kid surfing along the coast. Over the time, it's just begun to rapidly grow. Watsy's a fishing family that have been in the region for generations, fishing for blue swimmer crab, whiting and mullet. Good morning, Megan. How are you? What have we got? What's fresh?
Well, today I've got a fresh catch of our blue swimmer crabs and we've got our fresh caught sea mullet.
So how early did you get up to get these crabs for us today?
They were up at 3 o'clock this morning to hit the water at 3:30.
Peel's really easy to get to. It's like 30 minutes down the freeway. There's a few producers that are doing really interesting things with Chenin Blanc and Shiraz. Peel Estate has been around since the 70s and Will Nan, who owns the winery, has been championing 2 wines and he's well known for them.
Good morning.
Good morning. How was your morning?
Fantastic.
I picked some wines that I'm not sure about the flavours yet, but I just want to look at them with you and you can tell me what you reckon from what you've chosen this morning. So this is a Chenin Blanc. So Peel Estate, this is one of the varieties that they've championed for years.
Quite like that.
Oh, I love that. Normally with rosé you drink it when it's very young.
I could drink a lot of that.
I could drink a lot of that.
Yeah, let's go with it.
Let's do it.
Cool.
Let's go.
Okay, so we've got this beautiful mullet that we got from Watsy's place this morning. We also collected a few other things from down there. Beautiful samphire, some paperbark and some coastal rosemary. What we're thinking with the coastal rosemary is actually just stuffing it inside the mullet. Then we're going to come back and finish it off with a little fermented desert lime dressing and some of the salty samphire. We're going to wrap the mullet in the paperbark and that's just going to help to steam it and cook it all the way through. Fermented desert lime. We just got the samphire to go over the top. And there you go. I mean, that's about as simple as it gets.
That looks
Whole
so
mullet
good.
cooked in paperbark.
It's delicious, and that samphire, the texture is so good and it is salty. Okay, so the test here for us is to see whether we made the right choice with the wines.
Yep. I think the Chenin just might take the cake on this one. It sort of ties the whole dish together with the samphire and the desert lime. Excellent.
Cheers.
Good choice.